Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English online class. We are seeing Idgar lesson. Today is our last section. Let's start our class. Next to the sweet shops, there were a few hardware store and jewelry shops. The boys were not interested in anything there, so they walked ahead except Hamid. It occurred to Hamid that his granny did not have any pair of tongs. Each time she cooked chapati, the iron pan burned her hands. If he brought her a pair of tongs, and she would be very pleased. She would never again burn her fingers. It would be a really useful thing to have in the house. So Hamid stopped to look at a pile of tongs at the hardware shop and asked the shopkeeper how much for this pair of tongs. The shopkeeper looked at him and replied, "It's not for you." The friends and Hamid were moved on to the next shop. The shop is hardware and jewelry shop. The rest of the boys are not interested to the shop, but Hamid want to look after the tongs. It was useful for her granny because every time she made a chapati in the iron pan, he burned her hands. If he buy the tongs, it should be very useful to her. He never again burned her fingers. And Hamid asked to this shopkeeper how much the pair of tongs. But the shopkeeper replied to him, "It's not used for you." And Hamid asked to the shopkeeper, Is it for the sales or not? Why should it not be for sales? It will cost you 6 paisa. The shopkeeper said the cost of tongs is 6 paisa. Hamid hot sack. "Tell me the correct price," he said. Hamid said to the shopkeeper, "Tell the correct price of the pair of tongs." "All right, it will be 5 pice. Take it or leave." Finally, the shopkeeper said to him, "The price of tongs is 5 pice. Take it or leave it." Hamid said, "You will give it to me for 3 rupees. Then he walked away and afraid that shopkeeper would scream at him. But the shopkeeper did not scream. On the contrary, he called Hamid back and gave him the pair of tongs. Hamid carried on his shoulders as if were a gun to show to his friends. Mohsin laughed and said, "Are you crazy? What will you do with the tongs?" Hamid flung the tongs on the ground and replaced. "Try and throw your water carrier on the ground. It will break." Finally, Hamid asked the shopkeeper, "You will give the pair of tongs for 3 pice?" Ask and he away from the shop and walk afraid because shopkeeper scolded him. But the shopkeeper didn't scold him and called him back and give the tongs for 3 paisa. She carried the tongs on his shoulders and walked before to his friends. But the Mohsin teased him and discouraged Hamid's action. Muhammad said, "Are these tongs some kind of toy?" One of the friend Muhammad asked to Hamid, "The tongs look like some kind of toys." "Why not?" replied Hamid. "Why not? The place them occur the shoulder like the gun. Crazy them in your hands. It is like the musical instrument carried by singing monk. My tongue's like a tiger among tigers. Toys." Hamid replies, "It's not. It's look like a musical instrument carried by singing monk. My tongue's like a tiger among toys." Sami, who had brought a small tambourine, asked, "Will you exchange them for my tambourine? It is worth for 8 paisas." But Hamid would not. The pair of tongs won everyone over its side. By the 11, the village was again filled with excitement. All those who had gone to fair were back at home. Hamid to return home. As soon as she heard his voice, Granny Amina ran out of the houses, picked him up and kissed him. Finally, his friend Shami asked exchange tambura and tongs, and the tambura worth is 8 paisas, but the Hamid is not would like. But the pair of tongs, everyone over it. Around 11 o'clock, the village was again filled with excitement. All are gone to fair and returned to home. Hamid also returned to home. As soon as his granny heard his voice and come out from the house and picked him up and kissed him. Suddenly, she noticed the tongs in her hand. "Where did you find these tongs?" Amina noticed Hamid's hand and she asked, "Where did you buy the tongs?" "I brought them for you." Hamid replied, "I brought them." "How much did you pay them?" He says, 3 paisa. "You are a stupid child. It almost noon and you have not had anything to eat or drink. Could not you find anything better in the fair than this pair of tongs, iron tongs?" Amina scolded, "You are stupid child." "Why?" "Because it is the time, almost noon time, but Hamid did not eat or drink anything, and he brought a pair of iron tongs for his granny." Hamid replied in an injurious tone, "You burn your finger on the iron pan, so I brought them." Granny was deeply moved Hamid's selflessness. She started crying for wretched woman. The pair of tongs was precious as sack of silver. The Hamid replied to harsh tone his granny, "How many times you burn your fingers while make chapati? That's why I buy iron tongs for you." The granny started crying, and witches woman, unhappy woman. The pair of tongs was very precious, valuable, more than the sack of silver. Tongs, a tool used to hold hot things, precious, valuable, richest, and happy.